the lectures on engineering thermodynamics, we will start with the definition of engineering. Engineering, it is practical realization of theoretical principles. So we have energy engineering, we have mechanical engineering, we have chemical engineering, we have electrical engineering, and so on. Our idea is to discuss about energy engineering. Energy engineering deals with the conversion, transport, storage, and rational use of energy. This is official definition. And with this visualization produced by ChatGPT, we can see if energy is in the middle of our discussions as theoretical principles, to go from theoretical principle from the middle of this visualization to the periphery, so it means for practical application, we need to pass several steps. And this is our idea within these lectures, discuss this path from the theoretical principles to the practical end. We can replace this very nice visualization already with engineering blocks. First block, it is energy, where we will discuss energy conversion processes, but energy cannot be just transported or transferred itself. We need conveyor for energy transfer. It is working substances, or modern term, working fluids. Definitely these two blocks we need to discuss together, and together it's called thermal design, or sometimes call it thermodynamic design. This term you also can find in some publications. Next, after the thermal design, will follow engineering design, or using other terminology, it is a work of mechanical engineers. It is already a realization of our thermodynamic design to the real machine. So should be considered properties of materials, metallurgical limitations for materials, also size of components, everything should be included. And the last block, it is operation. It means that the energy conversion system that we designed it, and not only theoretical but also practically, now the system should work very properly, and of course should work efficiently from the point of view of economics and environmental. We need to introduce automatic system and control system. So from the very beginning, from the idea, theoretical idea, to the full practical application, this is the engineering, this is the work of engineers. And can be the case, and practical engineers already can confirm my words, that not always that we design it from the beginning as forward idea will work. Sometimes we need to return to the previous step of our discussions, because not all working fluids can be applied if we would like to realize our ideas. So it means that limitations from working fluids will be properties of working fluids, different properties, chemical properties, thermodynamic properties can influence to thermodynamic design. So we need to revise our design. Absolutely the same can happen with engineering design. With all these limitations, it can affect to working fluids, or also thermodynamic design, and definitely operation will have backwards to all previous stages of design, thermal design or engineering design. So together we need to discuss everything, not only forwards, but also limitations that can bring us backwards and revise our initial idea. Definitely, some of you will say, why do I need to revise engineering thermodynamics? I learned this discipline on the level of bachelor study, or modern level of bachelor study, because some of us already engineers many years ago and only studied without bachelor and master. So I studied everything with bachelor, I knew that. But I can contradict you, because being bachelor, we studied thermodynamics for the first time in our life. When we already were on the level of master study, most probably it was already not thermodynamics, it was engineering thermodynamics, or maybe chemical engineering, or chemical thermodynamics, or maybe physical chemistry. And we need to go again backwards to revise our knowledge that we obtained during the bachelor study. During our next career, we became a scientist or practical engineers, or even scientists and practical engineers later. And again, we need to revise our knowledge, already staying on the higher level of our academic career. So in this way, our module, so our lecture courses, we can say, engineering thermodynamics, it is again a revision of our knowledge in thermodynamics and mainly with engineering thermodynamics, because we would like to proceed with exergy analysis and after that with more advanced methods of evaluation of energy conversion system. As usual, we need to go backwards and revise our basic knowledge. And we need to remember that repetition, it is always very useful because it is how Latin proverb said, it is the mother of all learnings. Okay, and at the end of this introduction, I would like you to give a like to this video, subscribe the channel, and also share this video with your colleagues.